Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna Marie. If you're new here, I am a all-around crafty, artsy person that want to share everything that I know, help you guys learn stuff. That if you want to do it for personal reasons, that's fine. If you want to make money, perfect, because all of these things that I teach you can generate some income for you, hopefully. Please watch my videos all the way to the end, give a like, and make sure that you subscribe and share, okay? So without further ado, I am going to show you, now that you know how to make a wallet. This is made of my avocado print. I'm always like this on my thumbnail, never like this, so avocado. Okay, so this is what I call an everyday carry. If you are someone who is a doctor, a firefighter, a teacher, whatever, you know, we're always giving to other people, but we never like give to ourselves. We always keep people safe, right? If you're a mom, period, mom or dad, is safety things that that you would only probably have around the house, that you can't really carry your whole house with you when you go somewhere. So I call this my just in case pouch. My just in case that I will put in here everything that I will ever need, or most of the things that I would need when I'm out and about. I'm going to show you what I'm going to put inside my case. Anyway, just let's go. Have everything in this box. All of the things that are in here have been purchased from the dollar store and or raided from my own around the house stuff. Okay, the first things that I wanted to point out are these little pouches that you can get from Amazon. They're little plastic. I'm going to link this in the description down below. You know where to find it. It's from Amazon, and I made labels for this just in case I use it and I threw it away. I know where to put some new ones in. So I have earplugs. I have some emergency money. I have a spoon, some scissors. It's not even 3 inches. So this is the kind of scissors that may or may not be taken away from you at the airport. So I suggest just take this out if you want to keep your scissors. I'll leave. Make sure that your medication is still valid. You can have some cute band-aids in there for the kids, so that in case they cry, they would have an instant smile when you put that cute band-aid on them. And I have a pack of tissues. I don't know how many times I get, do you have a tissue? Do you have a tissue? Always want to have a lighter handy. And let's see, the toothbrush with toothpaste already in it. And I'm just going to add some flossers in there. And these are like kids flossers. So I'm going to put a couple, maybe 3 in there. And this is going to be your dental stuff. Then I have zip ties. Sometimes we have to put stuff together and you don't have anything to strap it together, and it's always good to have zip ties. So I have 3 zip ties there, so in case you need like longer ones, you can add some sticky notepads. Then I'm going to put 3 candles. In an emergency, you need candles. Lens wipes, 2 wipes. Here I have some Allegra allergy medication. I have a flashlight, little thin flashlight from the dollar store that you can replace the battery. I don't know, I still haven't figured out how to do that, but it's $1, you know, I could get another one. Then I have this dental pick, and I also will put floss in there. I always need to use floss too. I'm gonna put floss in there. Then I have some rubber bands in here with the zip ties. Ricola. I just had to. Oh, and I have some electrolyte. I get dehydrated. I like pencils. I have hair ties, pins and barrettes, and also some chapsticks. So I'm gonna try to stuff that all in here now. It's pretty flat, so that goes in my bag. And last but not least, your extra house key and your emergency whistle. Beautiful. Have a nice day. Don't forget to like.